All right, let's go. We're on the Lightning Link. We normally don't play these. We met some people here and they were telling us all about it. That major is maxed out, been maxed out for a while at $2,000. We're on the dollar denom, $5 a spin. Let's go. Come on, something juicy. That's the wild. I don't know what the free game symbol is. Oh, must be that, dude. Come on, something juicy. Come on, where are they at? Come on, something juicy. Come on, there it is. Nice. Big graphics on this. Let's go. The hold and spin feature on the Lightning Link here at Hollywood, downtown Lawrenceburg, Indiana. Let's go, free games. Something juicy. Come on, don't do that. Keep us alive. Keep popping. There we go. Keep it going. There we go. $50 trophy. We like seeing that. Come on, keep us alive. Come on, keep us alive. Pop it in there. There we go. $100 trophy. Come on, big trophies bring big trophies. We want that maxed out major to drop. Come on, keep us alive. You've been doing good so far. Keep us alive. Another $100 trophy. Come on, let's go. Drop it in there. Give us a chance at it. Come on, drop it in there. Come on, keep us alive. You've done it every time. Keep us alive and drop another big one up in there. That's all right. Nice. Oh, yeah. It's playing the music. You know what that means. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. 345 coming across the finish line. It's another winner chicken dinner. Let's go.